Hi, this is David, and thank you for helping out ELT Buzz Video and getting free access to ELT Buzz Teaching Resources for helping us out with voiceovers. It's very easy to record voiceovers. I'm looking for a variety of voices, so you don't have to be the native speaker. I don't believe in any of that. We want to expose students to a variety of English-speaking voices as global learners. So let me show you how to record the voiceovers and then finally send them to me at david@eltbuzz.com, and I'll upgrade your membership on ELT Buzz Teaching Resources once I get those voiced over videos. So here's the folder you go to. We're working on level 2. You might get a different level depending, but I want to start with finishing the videos on level 2. First thing you have to do is just right click and download one of the videos. So just go to download. Next thing you have to do is install NCH VideoPad. It's a free version, so just install it. It's really powerful and will allow you to simply and automatically record the voiceovers for the videos. Here you'll have all your resources in the top left. So what you should do is just go to the video you downloaded, drag it over there or open it up there. Then you right click and place on sequence at start. Now you're ready to record this video with your voice. Here's the record button at the top here, middle, and you want to click over video here. You're going to record over the video, the existing audio, any existing audio. And you'll see something like this at the beginning. Just click record. Usually it will identify your microphone automatically, so you might troubleshoot that, but it's fairly easy. Just it will give you an indication over here what microphone they're using. Click record. Elephants. Elephants can swim. Elephants can draw. Elephants can't play soccer well. Okay, I'm not going to do the whole video, but they're generally only about, like this one's only 50 seconds. So it doesn't take very long to do these. And this is about the simplest approach and tech that's out there. But what you want to do after you've recorded the audio here, underneath in the audio track, go to export video and click video file. Give it a title. I like elephants. Name it the same title, but also put audio at the end. And then click create, and it will create and download that video for you. And that's all you have to do. Afterwards, just go to your email and either put them all in a zip file or send them individually to me, and I'll get them and I'll upgrade your account on ELT Buzz Teaching Resources. Make sure you've registered or using the same email that you registered in ELT Buzz Teaching Resources, so I can easily find you and upgrade you there on the back end. Thanks a lot. This has been David at ELT Buzz Teaching Resources, and